Hello and good morning. Today, let us look at the sixth house of the Cancer Lagna or the sixth bhava of Cancer Ascendant. The sixth bhava of Cancer Ascendant falls in Sagittarius, which is a dual fiery sign. The Lord is Jupiter and it is the Mula Trikona Sthana of Jupiter. The sixth house of the service is in the ninth house of the Kala Purusha, thus, the native will do service with Dharma. Malefic influences of the sixth house along with benefic influences will flourish the Karatattvas of the Bhava. The Upachaya, Ripu, Roga, Rina will be well balanced. Only benefic planets may make the native very docile and obedient, may not be suitable for service in corporate world, but a good for service in the NGOs and religious organizations due to Sagittarius being the ninth house of the Dharma house. Rahu in Sagittarius loses its negative energy and is almost humble and is not of much use to the native in terms of corporate world. Rahu is understood to be good in 3, 6 and 11 from the ascendant, but in Sagittarius, Rahu is understood to be the quieter, cowering, subdued Rahu because it is the Mula Trikona Sthana of Jupiter and Jupiter overrules Rahu. But when it comes to dharmic and dharmic approaches, he will do definitely well. Ketu will make the native go to the highest the positions in dharmic activities and not in corporate activities. In dharmic activities, the native will reach his highest peak or he will have the dwaja. Now let us look if we can analyze this chart with as little time as I can take, because in the previous slide which I had done, it crossed the 20 minutes and I could not load it. So let's see if I can make it short. Sixth house is Sagittarius. Sixth house is aspected by Mars and is aspected by Mars, and the sixth lord is placed in Aries and is also aspecting the sixth house. Jupiter is placed in Aries, therefore he will influence the sixth house. In this video, we shall do both the qualities of the sixth house along with the Dasha Bhuktis. Right now, when we look at the sixth house, we see that the Mars is influencing the sixth house and Jupiter is also influencing the sixth house. Therefore, there is both malefic and benefic influences in the sixth house parameter. Therefore, as far as the Upachaya and Roga, Runa and Ripu are concerned, it is completely under the control of benefic planets as well as malefic planets, which will allow the native to have a judgmental approach towards his career, will have a judgmental approach towards he will judge properly. Judgmental, what I mean here is that he will judge properly and he will take a decision because Jupiter will give him the thinking power without pouncing as Mars would do. Mars is controlled by Jupiter because Jupiter is placed in the Mars's house. So there is a relation between 10 and 6. Since there is a relation between 10 and 6, there is a full-fledged control on the native, and the native will be into service organization and will be in corporate world. Now let us have a glance at his Dasha Bhuktis. The native was born with moon in Aquarius at 18 degrees 45 minutes in Satabhisha Nakshatra, 4th pada. Moon is will have the Rahu Mahadasha to begin with. Moon has only 1 degree 15 minutes left of the Rahu Mahadasha. Therefore, the balance of the Dasha will be just about 2 years and a month. The next Dasha will be a Jupiter Dasha, which will be a 17-year Dasha. Jupiter is posted in the 10th house, and aspecting 2, 4 and 6. Therefore, his early education would have been extremely good in the Jupiter Dasha, but when it comes to higher educations, he walks into the Saturn Mahadasha at his 19th birthday. Saturn is posted in the ascendant, is aspecting 3, 6 and 11th houses. The aspect of the third house is good, whereas the aspect on the other houses may not be fruitful. The third house being also aspected by Mars, Sun and Mercury. Therefore, the self-effort of the native is extremely positive. But during the Saturn Dasha, Saturn Bhukti, since both Bhukti Nata and the Dashanata have absolutely no link to the fifth house or to the fifth Lord, we would go with that period being a wasteful period. We have to also remember that during this time, we have also to remember that during this time, the native had Sadesati. In 1994, the native got his first phase of Sadesati. As you can see in my chart, Saturn, moon is practically 8 houses away from Saturn. So the first Sadesati will come to the native only by the 19th birthday, which would have not been very favorable for the Cancer Lagna, but may be slightly favorable for the Aquarius Lagna, because Aquarius is the house of Saturn. So he should not give the native a lot of problems. Having said that, Saturn Dasha, Saturn Bhukti, which is the most beginning Bhukti and which would be about 2.5 years to 3 years, would have got wasted by the native in one form or the other. So after Saturn Dasha, Saturn Bhukti, we get the Mercury Bhukti, Saturn Dasha, Mercury Bhukti. Now, when we look at the Mercury Bhukti, Mercury is influencing the third house. Mercury is associated with Sun, forming a Buddha Aditya Yoga. Even though Mercury is Nicha, Mercury has become Ucha in the Navamsha, that is exalted in the Navamsha, and it is in the Tharadamsha. Therefore, due to the position of Mercury in exaltation, even though Mercury has no direct link to the fifth house, Mercury is considered a planet of education and Mercury is considered a planet of intellect. Since it is also associated with Sun, forming a good Buddha Aditya Yoga, we would say that in the Mercury Bhukti, the native would have gone back to education. He would have completed his education by the time he reached the Moon Dasha, Mercury Ketu Bhukti. Ketu again is posted in the in Aries, which will act as Mars. Dispositor is Mars. Mars is aspecting the sixth house and Ketu is associated with Jupiter. There is a strong possibility that the native would have gone for interviews and would have done interviews. But Saturn Dasha Ketu Bhukti is a very small Bhukti. Even if he has taken up a job, it might not have been the type of job he wants. So he will probably work for some months and leave that, go back to education in the Saturn Dasha Mercury Venus Bhukti, because Venus again is not influencing the sixth house for service. So according to me, till the time he gets the Saturn Dasha Mars Bhukti, the native will not be able to get into the career mode, or will not get into the what is called corporate world, or get into the earning service orientation, or will not get his first job. To be very simple, he will not get his first job. Therefore, in the Saturn Bhuktis, till the time he gets a Mars Antra, so Saturn Bhukti, Venus Antra, Saturn Bhukti, Sun Antra, Saturn Saturn Mahadasha, Sun Antra, Saturn Mahadasha, Moon Antra, Saturn Mahadasha, Mars Antra, it's only in the Mars Antra around his 30th birthday or 29th birthday, the native will land up in a job. But between this period of time, he would have got a double graduation, because we can see that the ninth house is highly motivated. And the what is called Saturn in his this thing transit of Sade Sati would have got completed during this period. Therefore, the completion of Sade Sati and the entry of Mars Bhukti would have been the turning point for the native to get his first job. As we can see, Saturn is aspecting the 11th house of gains, right? Therefore, when we look at this chart, it is only the Saturn Dasha Mars Bhukti that the native will get his first job. After he gets his first job, there will be no looking back. As I said, the native will have Sade Sati along with Saturn Mahadasha, because both these combination of two will be a problem. We have to remember that the first job which the native will give, the dasha or the bhukti, has to link with the sixth house and the sixth lord. The transit should be favorable such that Jupiter aspects the sixth house or the sixth lord. Let us see the dasha bhukti of Saturn dasha Mars bhukti, which comes in at 11/2006. The transit around October is Jupiter is in Libra. Libra will aspect from Libra, Jupiter, Libra. Jupiter will aspect the sixth lord Jupiter himself. Thus, this will be the period for the native to enter into career orientation. Now, the other thought process is that there are many positives in this chart. Sixth house lord is linked to the sixth lord is aspecting the sixth house. Sixth lord is sitting in the sixth house. Sorry, the 10th lord is aspecting the sixth house, and the sixth lord is posted in the 10th house. Sorry, correct. Yeah. Mars is the 10th lord aspecting the sixth house. Jupiter is the sixth lord posted in the 10th house. So there is a beautiful combination for a career orientation, and the native will not have to look back after this beginning period of negativity which the native came in. Now, when it comes to enemies, as soon as we get career, we generally get into enemies. Now, for the enemies, we have to remember the Cancer natives do not like to confront their enemies, but will quietly push them off. Here you can see that the Jupiter is influencing the sixth house and Mars is aspecting the sixth house. Both Jupiter and Mars are associated. So the Jupiter will think wisely and allow the Mars to do his job. We have to remember that Mars has courage, and with courage, the native will push the negativity of of Ripu or Shatru away. Now, when we look at Saturn, Saturn will be persistent. What he will do is he will prove that he is better than the others. What Rahu will do is Rahu with his energy will show them that he is great. So these are the three ways that the malefic planets influence the sixth house, right? Now, when we look at Roga, Roga does not come to the native every time and any time. We have to remember that the Roga will always come to the native when the Dasha Bhuktis are not favorable. So, if you look at this chart has the sixth house. There is no planet posted in the sixth house, but the sixth lord is posted in the in the 10th house, that is in Aries, and he is aspecting Leo. So there should be some kind of a negativity in the head. That is, he may come up with, it could be simple things as boils, or it could be more complicated. And since it is influencing the Leo, which is the house of heart. So the sixth lord influencing the house of heart, that native could also have some problems in his heart when the dasha bhuktis are not favorable. Now, when we look at Runa, the two types of Runa, the Runa to get money for loans and other activities, the native may not have any problem to get loans for the activities because the sixth house is associated with both benefic and malefic planets. He will get his loans easily and he will repay his loans easily. When it comes to what you call it, when it comes to Runa of Matra Runa, Pitru Runa, Deva Runa, Guru Runa, he will pay back these Runas in the appropriate time in the best possible method that he can pay. Now, when we look at the other, so far we have seen one, Upachaya will be very good with the native because the native has both Jupiter and Mars placement. The Dasha Bhuktis are favorable. He will get Saturn Dasha Mars Bhukti. When he gets Saturn Dasha Mars Bhukti, he will get his job. After Saturn Dasha, he has the Mercury Dasha, which is Anicha Bhanga Raja Yoga Dasha. Absolutely no problem as far as his career goes. Then you have the Roga, which I said that he will have negativity during the negative periods. He may be having problems with his head or he may have problems with his heart. Then when we talk of Runa, the native will pay back his Runas easily without any problems because he has both benefic and malefic planets. I hope this video has been useful to you. Do share, like and subscribe. Follow me at G3 Astro. Signing off, Gayatri. Have a pleasant day. Bye-bye.